Chris 6 weather forecast.
Yeah, wouldn't it be nice if it just rained and that was it? No flooding, no fences down, but that's not the way it happens usually here in the United States. It's pretty violent when it comes to weather. 77 this morning, 94 on the afternoon high, a little below normal and no rainfall. Although we did have some stray showers up in Refugio and Bee County. It's 91 now. East-southeast winds at 17, and around the area where there have been some rain clouds around Beeville, they're only 89, as is Ingleside, and 87 over in Port Aransas, but everybody's below 100 except for Cotulla way out to the west. Our hour-by-hour forecast takes us down to 80 degrees about 2 a.m. and then on into the upper 70s by morning. So it's going to be a very warm night with a southeasterly breeze and the winds out of the southeast and gusty. Here is the satellite and radar. Again, those stray showers up to the north have dissipated. The clouds in the region, though, are moving in, and that's going to hold our temperatures up into the upper 70s tonight. But all of our attention turns to this area of disturbed weather, which came off the Yucatan this morning and is now developing, as you can see here right before our eyes. This is potential tropical cyclone number 4. In other words, it's going to turn into tropical storm Danielle. It's going to go to Mexico, and again, this is highly likely that this will develop into this tropical storm later tonight or tomorrow. Hurricane Center is in there with recon aircraft checking it out right now with the P3 aircraft going in. Moisture's increased at high levels of the atmosphere, but high pressure, this is the key to our forecast this weekend, is going to stay put. And so with that high pretty much staying in place, that's going to pinch off, as we talked about yesterday, that storm and drive it into Mexico on Saturday and into Sunday. It's going to push it off to the west and not allow it to come up the coast in our direction. So that's what we're going to see. That high pressure will still be in place on Monday, and then it backs out of the way. This disturbance will bring in areas of instability from the north, and that tropical moisture that flows through here over the weekend is going to turn around and come back in our direction here on Wednesday. And Wednesday looks to be wet here in the coastal bend, and that'll be our big rainfall opportunity. But there it is. This is our tropical system becoming better organized. High chance of development. Forget about 5 days. This will be over with by Sunday. But there are the watches and warnings out for the lower Texas coast, not anywhere near the coastal bend, and into northern Mexico. 35-mile-an-hour winds. The computer models take this up into northeast Mexico, about 60 miles south of Brownsville, and the forecast track has this now as a minimal tropical storm and moving into northeast Mexico late tomorrow night, early Sunday morning. So tropical storm Danielle is possible to our south this weekend, that's for sure. Increased risk of rip currents and swells along our coast will send some tropical moisture to the coastal bend, and any downpours could be heavy at times. So here is a look at the moisture, and again you can see that surge coming up tomorrow, but most of it is in the Gulf and not over us. It diminishes but still pretty strong on Sunday, so we'll see a little bit of shower activity there, and it really picks up though on Wednesday. And so this is where the lion's share of the rain will come from. And again, you can see most of the rain tomorrow in the Gulf. Some of it comes on shore Sunday morning and again Sunday around noon, but the best shot of rain won't be until that front draped up to the north traps that moisture and brings it in here on Wednesday. So here is a look at the 7-day forecast, and again we're talking about 92 tomorrow with isolated showers, 91 on Sunday, 93 with a few showers here on Monday, and the numerous showers and thunderstorms happen in a high of just 88 here on Wednesday of next week, the wettest Taylor of the next 7 days.